Troy here. This is Yes and Amen. It's originally by Housefires, but our church, we do a version that's kind of close to the live version that Bethel does. Super cool version of the song. So what I've done is I've kind of picked up some of the parts that I can hear Jonathan Lee playing, but I've also added some stuff that I made up that as we've kind of worked through the song, these parts kind of just evolved into what I do for the song, since there's not like actual parts that I can sit and study. But I love this song. I mean, I will rest in your promises. My confidence is your faithfulness. So I will rest in your promises. My confidence is your faithfulness. And you know, sometimes the world beats you up pretty good. And I don't want to put it this way, but it's like sometimes all we have are the promises of God. But we should be looking at it like the best thing we have are the promises made by the Lord. That is everything to us. Everything should be looked at through the lens of the promises that God has made us. And man, I get emotional during this one big time. And our worship leader, Josh, he sings this song, and I think it's got a special place in his heart. This song means a lot to him. And to worship with my buddy and to play this song with him is something really, really special. So I just wanted to put it up on YouTube because I thought maybe the parts would be helpful for you, but also because it's special to me, and just kind of wanted to share some thoughts about the song. You know, when you connect with your brothers and sisters on stage, when you know what they're going through and what they've gone through and what the Lord has seen them through, and you watch them worship just abandoned to God, it's amazing because you know it's authentic. You know that Jesus has really transformed their heart, and they're so thankful for what he's done and what he will do in their lives. And when we get to glory, they'll see him and he'll wipe away every tear. There'll be no more pain, no more suffering. And that spirit of worship from your friends that you see is just special. And this song really does it for our church and our worship team, it seems. So anyways, this is Yes and Amen, the live Bethel version / Troy version. Hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope it's helpful.
Lord, I can't help but sing. Come on. Faithful you are. Faithful forever. Faithful you are.
Oh, goodness.